Upgraded all-terrain collapsible wagon cart is equipped with 8 inches all-terrain tires. With weight increased, the load also heavier. The 360-degree rotating off-road wheel is adopted to make your parking, pushing, and pulling more convenient. Larger storage space and 2 extra storage bags give you extra bigger space. No need to assemble, just open them in the blink of an eye. Double-layer Oxford fabric is adopted to provide you with upgraded touch feeling and double sturdiness. We also offer a free storage bag, making the wagon easy to store and carry with you. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Big capacity and use widely. All-terrain collapsible outdoor wagon cart has 110L large capacity internal storage. The max capacity is 170 pounds, weight 19 pounds. The cart can be widely used in outdoor activities, such as camping, fishing, beaches, parks, barbecues and etc. They are essential utility tools for outdoor travel and shopping. Number 2. High quality. All-terrain collapsible outdoor wagon cart uses a sturdy steel frame and durable hardware, adopting full welding to make the frame firmly reinforced. The collapsible outdoor wagon carts use double-layer Oxford fabric and foam paper, which is tightly stitched and also has a high-quality plastic bottom plate. It has a good touch, good quality and is not easy to wear and slip, easy to clean, more sturdy, and has a long service life. Number 3. Easy to fold and store. All-terrain collapsible folding outdoor wagon cart has an internal pull rope design. It can be folded in 3 seconds. No need to install, easy to operate and transport. The wagon cart can be folded to be 7.48 inches thick, space-saving. So it is convenient to be stored at home, garage, and car boot, and we also offer a carry-on bag for carrying and storing. Number 4. Adjustable handles and 8 inches all-terrain wheels. The handle of the cart can be extended to 31 inches, it also can be fixed to your preferred length. You can adjust the handle angle back and forth, making your push and pull more effortlessly. The round trip will also bring you a good using feeling, even kids can easily pull it. Oversized all-terrain wheels with 4 inches wide in diameter are 8 inches to improve traction and smoother traveling over rough terrain and beach sand. Number 5. Storage design and fast shipping. All-terrain collapsible outdoor wagon has 2 storage bags beside the handles, and the storage space is larger so that emergency items such as beverages and umbrellas are at your fingertips. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.